Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and let me show you how to add photo to contact in the following device. So first of all, let's open the phone dialer and click on contacts. Here we have to choose one we want to edit. It can be Marilyn, and let's click on edit contact. Here to add the photo, simply click on the camera icon. And here you can choose from taking a photo or choosing a photo. So let me choose photo, and we will choose it from the gallery. Let's click on albums and let's pick the one that you want. Let's complete the action, and now you can just customize just like you want. You can make it smaller and set it where you want. Click OK. And as you can see here, we've got our photo. Let's click Save. And this is how you customize the contact. So let's get back, and here we've got the Marilyn with our photo. So that's all. This is how you add a photo to contact. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.